You ready to go down some stairs, Mr. Peanut Butter? Can you do it? Can you come here? Can you come down the stairs? Good boy. Oh, 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 oh. You give up? It's okay. It's okay. You went down 2 steps. Good boy. You're not scary. You're not scary. You can go up. You can go back up. No? 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 Okay. We'll do it again. We'll try later.